guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tendo Irene. Welcome back to my channel. In case you are my old beautiful subscriber, I love you so much. My returning viewers, I love you so much. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be DIYing this bed frame. I'm going to make it look better than this. You see, my bed has been like this, just like this, but I want to make it better, so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Now that I'm okay, I'm not sick anymore, I feel fine, guys. I have been sick. Thank you so much for your prayers. I finished all my doors. I'm remaining with only exercises. Now I feel so better. I feel very healthy, and I decided to start running my home so well. So I'm starting with DIY in my bed, then I'll be showing you some other things I'll be doing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure I give this video a like, comment in the comment section, guys. Leave me a sweet comment, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. So I think I'm going to make it from outside. Let us go there and I'll show you how I'm going to be doing it. But first, let me remove it here. This is all. Now I think I can move outside and do the rest of the job from outside, guys, because I don't want to dust my house. So I move outside and do it from there. Let's go. So guys, now that I'm outside, these are the tools which I'm going to be using: the hammer, the saw, also the staple gun. In case you are wondering why I have all these tools, yes, I'm going to be a DIY person more. And this is the foam which I'm going to be using for designing my bed frame. These are the plywoods, and this is the bed frame which I'm going to be using. This is glue in this bottle, and these are all my items which I'm going to be using. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let it be silent. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let me see you when I'm done designing my bed frame. Love you so much. Hope you enjoy. The urge to explain here and there is killing me, guys, and I think it won't be a silent video. As I told you earlier, my promise has not been good enough, reliable enough. So I think I have to explain some things here. I started by getting my plywood and nailing it on this other wood, and from there I went ahead to design my headboard as I had seen on social media, and I thought it was easy, but nope, it wasn't easy, guys. I struggled to make this, and it deserves to be watched, and you see the end results, guys. I'm happy with the results, and I think you too will be so happy. So don't forget to like the video, and also I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll have to explain here and there. So in any step I'm going to be taking, I'll be explaining to you, guys. So here I'm nailing my plywood on the other wood. Yes. After nailing the plywood in the first phase, I went again to get a smaller plywood, which I'm going to be sectioning into smaller pieces. These small plywoods will be used for pinning there, for gluing there the foam, which is going to make the design which I have in my head. So yeah, I'm trying to measure them so that I cut them with a handsaw, as we're going to be watching this video, guys. And after that, I'll get my foam and glue it on this very small plywoods which I have already cut. cutting these small plywood pieces, I went ahead to measure if they will fit the space which I want to design very well, and yes, they were fitting. Yes, they were fitting. And after that, I went again to do the next step, as you are going to be watching. This is the form which I'm going to be using to pin on the small plywoods, as I told you earlier. And here I had started, I was measuring, and I had to use my kitchen knife to cut the form to fit on the plywood very well. After that, I got my staple gun, that one which I'm holding, and I stapled the foam on the small plywood. But this tool is disturbing me because it is my first time using it, and I don't know how to function it very well, so it disturbed me so much. But nevertheless, I managed to use it very well, as you can see in this video. I went ahead to do the same thing on all other small plywoods, and the foam, all of them, the 8 ones, I went ahead to do the same thing, pinning the foam on the plywoods. I was done with all the 8 plywoods and the foam, and they were 8 in number, and I was so happy for doing this far and grateful job. And the next step was to put the material, the cloth material, on these stapled plywoods. How should I call them, guys? I don't know, but I think you are watching the video and you are getting to understand what I'm trying to mean. I put the fabric on all my pieces, the 8 pieces, guys, as you'll be watching in this very video. Fabric is over, and as an African woman, I have to improvise. Guys. I don't know, but I have to. So guys, my material is over. This one, the real material which I'm supposed to use. So I'm going to improvise with my dress. I don't like it so much, so let me improvise with my dress to dress up this one, the 4 remaining ones. This one. It is at this point that I realized this headboard will have 2 different colors and 2 different textures, one from a dress and one from the real fabric. I like discovering, and I'm going to be doing it, guys. I can't wait to show you the end results, guys, but they were so amazing, guys. I'm cutting my dress so that I pin all the other those things you can see there. I don't know what their name is. Oh, let me leave you to watch the video in peace. Here I'm done with all my pieces, and that one, the bottle, the small bottle, that is glue which I'm going to be using to pin my designs on the main plywood. Yes, that is the glue which I'll be using, guys. And I'm about to finish. Thank God. doing them all on the plywood, I had to staple gun them down to make sure that they are firm and stable. So that is what I was doing there, to make sure that at least they are firm. Yeah, and I managed to achieve that successfully, guys. Since you have watched this far, I think you can consider subscribing if you haven't. Yeah, because we always bring in exclusive content like this one and even better than this one. You can subscribe, guys. I'm done, and it's time to take it inside the house and see how it is going to be looking inside the house. I want to see the beauty. I can't wait. Let's go inside the house. How does it look? This is my headboard. How does it look, guys? Rate it out of 10. I will agree that it is cheap. It looks cheap and it looks DIY, but at least it is better than the other old one, guys. Yes, but at least this is better. Although it looks cheap, it looks DIY, but at least it is better. I like it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about my bed. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to Tender Irene. Also, leave me a sweet comment in the comment section, because this is my first time to DIY such a thing, and I think it is somehow fair. Yes, I say that I agree it is cheap. It looks cheap and it looks DIY, but at least it is so better. I have been dreaming to make my bed better, but today I have done it. Thank you so much, guys. See you in another video very soon. Now that I'm okay, now that I'm not sick, I feel so happy. Wait for another video very soon, guys. Wow, how does it look? Oh.